How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Prelude. And I'm actually working on the Prelude. I actually finally got the lamp that belongs here. Well, my phone's about to die. Finally, look all shiny. I'm gonna leave these clear and see. Have a little surprise. I just want to see how it looks. If it doesn't look how I like it, um, I'm just gonna tint them. But I have an idea. All right. So right now I'm doing a little bit of wire repair right here on the socket for this bulb. So I'm gonna solder this right here, and then I'm gonna solder the little halo ring for the headlamp, since I got the lamp replaced as well. And yeah, we'll see how it looks. This is what I have going on right now. These splices right here, these wires go to the headlamp, and the negative cable got torn off, so I'm adding from here to here to this socket. I'm hoping this socket is still useful. It looks like just the housing got a little damaged, but hopefully I can use it until I can find one. Hopefully it's not that difficult to find that. So yeah, I'm gonna solder that there and see how it all looks. My dudes, so we got it all put together. So there's a reason why I left those clear and then paint them, because I want to see something, you know. So I want to show you guys something, see what you guys think. I think I'm gonna like it, but I'll show you guys later, okay? Right now, we cleaning the whips. My daughter's cleaning her. I think this is a Mustang, man. This thing was on special at Walmart, 70 bucks. Thought I'd get her for her first car. Now she can't say I didn't get her first car. Huh? So yeah, now we're just cleaning it. That way I can take it to work tomorrow. But she looking good. The Prelude's looking good. Woo! Are you gonna drive it? Alrighty, guys. Surprise, surprise. Let's see if I can turn on some light here. Oh yeah, my phone's about to die. But yeah. Get my source of light here. But yeah, I kind of wanted the light to match with the red, since the headlight here matches with the hood and the signals. What do you guys think? Does this look alright? Or should I rethink my idea? Let's take a look of it. Take a look at it from afar. That's Apollo right there. Yeah, guys. And the light seems to be working too. Kind of happy I can drive this thing to work tomorrow. I do need to adjust the left-hand side light a little bit. But yeah, guys, that looks, I kind of like it. That is it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. You know, follow me at xoscar6 on Instagram. And yeah, man, you guys have a good night. Stay safe out there. Peace.